Hello guys, it's me Jade, and for today I'm in Nilla Cat server. Look at Snilla over here. Snilla, oh, it's Snilla, and it was such a great time playing here in her server. It's such a fun server. It's a friendly server, and also hackers are mostly prevented, or like this is a friendly server, and also there's a lot of good admins here, such as Rosie and Apple. They're such good server admins or helpers, and also Nilla is such a good owner, and so she's such a good builder, and she's making a playground for the daycare, and yeah, Nilla. Oh, sorry. Chat censor. Yeah, the chat censors avoid you from saying vulgar words, for typing vulgar words, and other mature words that aren't even appropriate for the age, so it's prevented by the chat censor. And also, please don't be pissed off when chat censor kicks you, because it actually thinks that you're AFK. Because if you don't chat, it means you're AFK, or I don't know what's the meaning of AFK, but please be active so you won't be kicked like that. So, like, Nilla, I'm recording. Some recording, because also, you see that the chat censor actually removes anything that is not really appropriate, or not really used to make something more, make the server make the everything ruined. So yeah, it prevents everything that it prevents bad things from happening in the server, so that you won't cause any trouble, you won't cause any quarrel with players. Oh, I fell off. So that is the purpose of having the server. I mean the chat censor. He said Nilla is here. Nilla is here. So I just said Nilla is here because I thought. Okay, so to get a shout out for my next video, make sure to be first, or to comment first, or make sure to click that bell button, and make sure to what is it under your chin? Let's see what's in her chin. What's in her chin? Ah! Look for yourself. It's such a cute skin. Ah! It's a mouse. Okay, so she's scaring the people, but she's funny. Oh, I can't cross. Nilla. There's a fence. It's Noko. I don't know what Noko is, but yeah. Oh, I got inside with the help of this. Now how am I be able to go outside? Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is the death of me. Can't get inside. Thank you. Thanks. Thankies. Thankies. I almost can't get out. Like, she's a friendly person. It's really. Woo! She's a friendly. murder mystery. She's building. So I hope Rosie joins. So who's Jake Paul? Jake Paul is the brother of Logan. I really love the pool slide. What's that? And yeah. Color and okay, so if you look at that. So if you haven't seen Nilla's Help Me Help You Minecraft music video, you should really watch it. It's worth the time. It's very awesome. It's such a very good. It's a good MV music video. It's so cute. Like almost. So yeah. You should really check out her content, her videos, her role plays. Actually, all the role plays are for some sort of like all the role plays are very awesome. All the role plays are worth it. So yeah. RP. Using RP. RP is for role play if you don't get it. This is our role playing server. So yeah. Everything is difficult. Help me help you. So yeah, no gang. Goodness. Can I go out? How can I go out? I'm a daycare. I'm the only one with the elytra, right? So yeah, I'm going to fly. What did I just do? Help me. Ouch. What was I doing? Oh my god. Okay. So maybe I'll do an episode 2 of this when I see Rosie here or whatever. Or Apple when I see Apple here. Anyways. Help. Oh goodness. Sorry, excuse that. Help me, help. I shouldn't just go. Girl, what you tryna do? Cause I don't got no clue. I ain't no Scooby-Doo. Flying. Oh, I know what I tried to use already. Flying. Elytra life. I just said Elytra's life. Because yeah, I don't want them to know that. I don't want them to make me say it don't look like it. Oh, you should really get to build that. Oh goodness. It was so happy. It was so shocking. When it was on Nilla's chin, we were all the person was shocked. So he laughed. That was such a very oh my goodness. If you ask me, guys. Hey, I slapped the car? What? Girl, what you trying to do? Rip endergirl. Rest in peace. Oh, she's gonna respawn back. I know she will. Cause yeah. Every time you die here, you respawn. Looks like a slide. Looks like a water slide. No, she left. Nilla left the game. No, she left. No. So that's going to be the end. So yeah, wait a minute. Hi therubykid and hi endergirl and hi guys. So here are my friends. They're there, everywhere. Crystal cat. Okay, incoming. Okay. So this is the end of the video because Nilla left. Goodbye.